insects, particularly ants, can cause significant damage to cherry trees. Ants are notorious for farming aphids, which are small insects that feed on the sap of trees, including cherry trees. This weakens the cherry tree. While ants don't typically eat the roots of cherry trees directly, certain species of ants, like carpenter ants, can hollow out wood and cause damage to the structure of the tree. Nesting and ant colonies. Some species of ants are attracted to the hollow trunks or roots of cherry trees for nesting purposes. While their presence doesn't always result in immediate damage, a large colony within the tree can stress it by disturbing its structure.